In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Namecheap domain. First of all, you need to log into your Namecheap account. Then you need to go to your profile and go to your profile dashboard. Right here, click on domain list and then choose the domain you want to transfer. For example, I have got only one domain name, so we'll click manage. Then you need to go to the sharing and transfer. We have got three options. First one is share access, second one is change ownership, and the third one is transfer out. So if you just want to share the access to anybody, you can use this option. You need to provide their Namecheap username or email address, and you can add right here. So he or she will be new manager, but the owner will be you. But if you want to change the ownership, you can provide the Namecheap username or email address right here and click on change. And also the last option is transfer out. You can transfer your domain from Namecheap to any other domain provider, for example Hostinger, for example GoDaddy, or etc. guys. For that there are some rules. To transfer out, you will need to make sure that domain lock is turned off and you will get the auth code on your email address. So first of all, you need to click unlock right here. At the moment I have got lock on my domain, so I need to click on unlock, and then they will send the auth code to my email address. And after you place the request here, we will send your auth code to registrant email address specified for this domain. It may take up to 5 days for the transfer to be completed. So after you will receive the code, you will have 5 days to transfer your domain to any other domain provider. And also, if this information is not enough, you can read these articles right here. So first of all, click on unlock, then you will receive the code on your email and you will use this code to transfer your domain name. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.